Hello, good morning friends. I hope you all guys are enjoying my video lessons. And here I came in a parking zone which is just situated beside to the Mata Gujari Singh Visava Garden. And here you can see that this is a parking zone and four-wheeler car parking is here. And here a lot of vehicles are running from here to there and a lot of rush is there. I saw this is a shadow tree and this is a beautiful tree. So I came here in order to make a vlog, in order to create a video. So in that video I am going to tell you how to crack any kind of interview and the questions which are most important and asked in any kind of interview. If you are looking for any kind of job profile and if you are not getting shortlisted, if you are getting a lot of rejections, a lot of failures, and due to the lack of confidence and inferiority complex you are not able to crack any kind of interview. So friends, you just don't need to care a lot, you just don't need to fear any longer, because I here came with a lot of information that is truly going to beneficial for your future. And if you are looking for your career oriented job, you are not getting your job and you are getting continuously failures, rejection, and you are not getting shortlisted for the prepared position for the relevant job, then don't worry friends, it's time to kill your fear. So without doing any further delay, let's get started to the questions which are asked in an interview. So first question asked in an interview is, tell me about yourself. In that question you have to describe all the personal information. Is it necessary? Not friend, you should not want to mention all the information. You have to arrange only specific topics, you have to give only short information, so that you would be able to create a good impression in front of the interviewer. If you are going to attend an interview or if you are looking for a relevant or career oriented job and you know what you should want to prepare for yourself, first of all the first question would be, tell me about yourself or introduce yourself. In that question's answers you have to mention your name, your qualifications, and that two information would be enough. You should not want to mention a lot of information, you have to give the answer in a short term. Okay, that would create a good impression in front of the interviewer. As an interview you have to prepare for it first. So let's move to the another question, which is very important question. While you are going to crack an interview, you should know that this is the most important question, which is, why should we hire you? Whether you are shortlisted or not, whether are you selected for that particular post or not, your total selection criteria is totally dependent on that question. So you have to prepare very well for that question. If you are going to prepare for any organization job, if you are looking to work in a company or organization, then you should know all the information regarding that particular organization or company. Or even you are preparing for the BPO call centers, then it might be whatever, either inbound or outbound, either international or multinational companies as well. So the answer of that question would be like that. You can tell there, sir, I have extraordinary communication skills, I have adaptability personality, I have multitasking personality. That would be definitely beneficial for your organization. And if you give me a single chance to work with you, to work with you, then I would try my level best. I will leave no stone unturned to try. So sir, that would be very beneficial for your organization if you select me and you would give me a chance to work with you. So let's move to the another question, and the another question is, what is your strength and weaknesses? So in your strength you can mention that you possess extraordinary communication skills, you are adaptive to any environment, and you have a modifying personality, you have a multitasking personality, and that is very important for your organizations. You can say like that. You should know that you are going to get a job in his organization, so you should know very well about it. And when it comes to your weakness, first of all you should not want to share your personal weakness or genuine weakness. Even if you are weak in any particular skills, then you should not want to mention, which is going to not beneficial to that particular organization or company. You can say there, I don't like to keep myself mysterious, I just don't like to keep any secret to myself, I just like to share anything to anyone, this is my weak point. You can mention such a things which are not relevant to any organization and which is not going to create any kind of bad impression in front of the interviewer. As an interviewee, you have to prepare that questions first, because this is the most important questions and it plays vital role if you go for any kind of interview. Okay, so another most important question is about work experience. He asks you, do you have any work experience? If you have, tell me the organization or any private sector before you worked there. So in that questions you have to tell all the information regarding your previous work experience. If you have done job in anywhere in any private sector, then you can mention all the important things, all your previous experience in that questions answer. Okay, and if you have work experience certificate, then you can show to the interviewer as an interview certificate. So friends, there are little more questions which are asked in an interview, but I just don't want to make that video lengthy. So I'm going to give you the last and important question, and the last question is what is your salary expectation? So in that questions, it would be better if you are a fresher, then you don't have that authority to tell about your salary expectation. You can say that as per company rule, as per organization rule, or as per that private sector rule. And if you are work experienced, then you can put a demand in front of the interviewer, because you are already well experienced and you possess that much potential, and you should want to definitely use your potential in such a productive activities. So you can have put a demand in front of the interviewer. So friends, that was all about that interview question. I hope you all the friends have liked my video and you got a lot of beneficial important from my videos. So friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get regular updates from my channel. And I hope you would keep me motivating, and you would keep me adding positive comments in comment sections, and that would definitely help you to grow up in your future. Next time I would be here with a new lesson. So friends, bye bye, take care.